guys, I am Keshav Malpani, a final year undergraduate student at National Law University, Jodhpur. I welcome all of you to this first session of 12 minutes to CLAT. In this session, we will discuss how law can be a lucrative career option for all of us and what is 12 minutes to CLAT. Generally, when we discuss about our career choices to our parents, to our teachers, and even to our friends, law does not seem like a primary career option that we generally opt for. We tend to divert our attention towards other professions such as chartered accountancy, medical, engineering, and so on, and law is generally given a secondary thought. This is primarily because of the preconceived notion we have about law in the society, or probably the misinformation which Bollywood movies provide us, wherein a person wearing a black robe goes to a court, shouts in the court, and somehow wins the case and comes back. That is not how it works in the real world. In the real world, law provides us with a variety of opportunities, more opportunities than we can even imagine. From a person arguing in a court of law to lawyers sitting in top corporate offices in the country and earning handsome salaries to a post which is as highly regarded and as reputed as that of a judge in a court of law, law provides us with variety of options. If you do a normal Google search on the career opportunities associated with law, you will realize that there were so many opportunities that we were neglecting so far. There are 23 national law universities in the country which are equipped with the kind of resources required to help us to become one of the top lawyers in the country. To enroll in one of these national law universities, there is an examination conducted every year called the Common Law Admission Test, or popularly called CLAT. For National Law University Delhi, there is a separate examination conducted called the All India Law Entrance Test, or AILET. We here at 12 minutes to CLAT provide you the required strategy to clear this exam, as we ourselves have the first-hand experience of clearing this exam. We also realized that most of the coaching centers are generally concentrated in some of the bigger cities, and most of us who wants to take this exam are not residents of these cities. Now here lies a very big problem in front of us, wherein after our 12th standard we have to take an year drop, enroll in one of the coaching centers, and then prepare for CLAT. Now this added year adds a lot of uncertainty and pressure to us, and due to this a lot of us fall prey to this pressure and we are not able to do well in these exams. We provide you a platform where you can sit at home and prepare for CLAT just a fingertip away from you, where you can use your laptops and your smartphones to prepare for CLAT just sitting at home and with all the comforts that home has to provide to you, and that too free of cost. We also realized that most of the lectures or sessions that we attend online are too long to grasp, too much information divulged at one point in time, which is too much to take for us. So we make sure that we keep our lectures as brief and as simple as possible. None of our lectures extend the time limit that has been set by us, which is 12 minutes, and most of them range in the time limit of 10 to 12 minutes. If you like our sessions, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from us.